I slept on my hair really weird last night. I don't know what happened, but my bangs are very voluminous. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a very fun holiday Ulta haul. That is right, you guys. I actually got this stuff in the mail. I know it's in an Ulta bag, but I got this stuff in the mail from Ulta.com and I just had a random Ulta bag here, so I put it in there for the aesthetic so you didn't have to see a box. But yeah, we're gonna be doing an Ulta. I almost thought it fell over. We're going to be doing an Ulta haul today. I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and jump on in. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description if you want to go over there and give me a follow on Instagram. I thank you so much in advance. I really appreciate it. Again, I say this every video, but I am trying to grow Instagram because I just love it to literal bits. But if you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. Without any further ado, let's get into the items. So this time around at Ulta, I did get a couple of kind of like holiday pieces. First things first, I actually want to show you something that I didn't get from Ulta, but I got it from Amazon. I don't know why I'm putting it in this video, but here it is. I got another one of my self-tanners. This is the Jergens Instant Sun Deep Bronze Self-Tanner. I really love this. I don't really have it on right now, but this is one of my favorite self-tanners. I like it a lot. And I just have like a little mitt that I also got from Amazon. So this is not from Ulta, but I got it within the same period of time, so it's in the haul. But I do love this self-tanner. And they may have it at Ulta. I'm not entirely sure, but I don't think so. But I got these. Now for the things at Ulta. First things first, I got a couple of press-on nails. Now these are so cute. I love doing my nails. Mostly I paint them or I'll do like the jelly tips or something like that. But these ones I thought were just absolutely adorable. These ones right here are like really blingy. They're very sparkly. They got rhinestones and they're black. And this one's got like a huge like diamond thing in the center. These ones, they're all very cool looking. So this one would be really cool for maybe like New Year's or probably during like this time of year, who knows. But these ones are really cute. And then I got these, which I'm obsessed with. These ones are more of an almond shaped and you can't really see because it's so bright. It's throwing the camera off. But these ones are white up here and then this one's fully decked out in jewels. These ones have some jewel patterns and these ones down here have little gold snowflakes. How cute is that? I'm obsessed and I cannot wait to put these on my nails. I might actually do these after I film. We'll see. But yeah, these ones are really cute and I got two of these. I'm really into these. Next up, I got a couple things from Morphe actually. I got this right here. You know, I don't ever really review Morphe palettes, but I did want to review this one because it looked really cute and I do believe this is part of their holiday collection. But this is the Morphe 35XO Natural Flirt palette. To be totally honest, I have looked at this, but I haven't used it, but this reminds me of Valentine's Day. But here's what the packaging looks like. It does look really cute. And then here are what the shades look like. They're all very pink toned, purpley. But again, this reminds me of Valentine's Day, so I'm not 100% sure why it's the holiday collection. I think so anyways. I think it's the holiday collection. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's the holiday collection, but this just reminds me of Valentine's Day if I'm honest, but they still are really pretty. I like the tones in here. I love this glitter shade. It's really pretty. I'm glad they only put one in there because I know not everyone wants to use glitter around their eyes. You shouldn't use glitter around your eyes anyways, but I know some of us do, but I'm glad they just put one in there and it's not all over the palette. But that glitter shade's really pretty and then the rest are very nice. I have kind of had like a love-hate relationship with Morphe eyeshadows. Some are really good and some I don't find to be that great. So I will do a review on this palette and kind of see what I think and tell you my thoughts, but it is a really cute palette. Oh, one more thing. I actually got 3 of these. I forgot. This one right here is by Impress. These ones are also by Impress. Wow, I'm winning today. You're doing great, sweetie. I'm not very big brain today. My brain is very smooth brain right now. not very many wrinkle. But these are some more press-on nails, and these ones are like super Christmas time. You got a little Rudolph ones, little candy cane ones, and then just like sequined red down here. I think these are super, super cute. And these ones just, they're literal holidays, so very Christmas time. I'm super into it. These other ones right over here are kind of like, you know, they're kind of festive. They're kind of like getting into that holiday spirit, but these ones are straight up Santa Claus. So I don't know which ones I like the best. I think they're all really nice. Next up, one more thing from Morphe. I actually got a double pack of, this is part of their holiday collection because it's in a fancy golden bottle with the red lettering, and it is the Continuous Setting Mist. I love the Continuous Setting Mist so much. It's my favorite setting spray that I have. It's probably my favorite item that I have that Morphe makes, and they have a full size in here and they have a little mini size. So you do get both of these, and I think, if I'm not mistaken, I think that this package right here was, let me just look. I think it's actually around the same price as just one of the setting sprays would normally be. Yeah, so it's literally almost the same. So one bottle of the Continuous Setting Mist is $16, and this right here is 20 bucks. So if you pay $4 more extra, you get a travel size as well. So I think that is a pretty good deal. So yeah, I got this just so I don't run out of my setting spray because I love it so much. Next up, I got this from Tula. This is the first time I try this brand. It is the Glow Plus Protect Daily Sunscreen. It's a gel sunscreen, which is really cool. It's SPF 30, UVA plus UVB protection. I need to start wearing sunscreen, you guys. I have sunscreen in some of my makeup, like my Ilia what's this foundation right here? Skin Tint. It is SPF 40, which is great, and I use this a lot. So I do have sunscreen in some of my makeup products, but not all of them, and I feel like I actually really do need to start wearing sunscreen more often because I know that it is really good for your skin. Like, it's just good for protection, you know, just so you don't get like sun damage. But a lot of people don't know that just by going outside, or even like the rays coming in from your window, can harm your skin in some way. To my knowledge, I think that's how it works, just because the sun is so harsh. So sunscreen, it's not gonna hurt, it's just gonna help. So I wanted to try this one from Tula. It's really, really cute. Look at the little bottle, it's all yellow, and I did not get that off of my eye. Oh well, they can stay, I guess. Oh, you know what? They said that that's kind of chunky. Why is it chunky? Anyways, it feels nice. It rubs in really well, and it's kind of shiny. Maybe it will, like, the shine will die down a little bit after it's rubbed in, but I don't know. But I like it. It feels nice on the skin. It kind of feels cooling. Then the last thing that I got, I actually have already filmed on. I'm not sure which one's going up first, this one or this palette review, but I did get the new Revolution, Makeup Revolution Earth palette. And again, I have already filmed on this, and if this video is going up first, then you'll see this palette review later. If the palette review goes up first, then I'll have it linked right up here for you to watch if you haven't seen it. But I just love the look of this palette. It's so pretty looking. Look at that. As you can see, this one's been heavily used, but the palette itself is stunning. They have the earth and maybe like air or water. I forget which other one it is, but the earth one just called my name, and I really, really like the colors in it. I think it's really pretty. I love the green on the front, the stars and the moons. I think that's a really nice contrast. So yeah. And I got that. And you guys, those are all the things that I got from Ulta this time around. I know that this probably was a pretty short video, but I just wanted to show you guys the things that I did pick up. My hair is just getting on my absolute nerve. Like, what is this? I have no idea, but yeah, if you're planning on getting anything from Ulta in the future, what do you have your eye on? What have you already gotten that's pretty new to you? Let me know in the comments because I would love to know that. But I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!